morning, everybody. Well, remember that load that we said we had to pick up? Well, it was here in St. Peter's. We're here, we're at it, we're hooking up to it, and we're gonna take off and head up to Hammond instead of, well, driving all the way up to Hammond to pick the load up. We gotta hook the trailer up and get rolling. I've already done the pre-trip on the truck this morning, and we're gonna rock with it. Oh, look, the freaking landing gear is on the right side this time. So we're gonna, we gotta raise it up. Well, first, let me put my glove back over there. We're gonna raise it up. On these light loads like this, I'll keep it in the high gear typically. And we'll, I apologize. That one was a little stiff, kind of like how I'm getting nowadays. But for real, she got that wheel chalk. Put that nozzle up in here. Put one in there, flip that switch up, pull the button. When you're doing this, make sure you have that little on, because this shit, you don't want it. You just go. It's not fun. All right. And I think it goes without being said, but don't put this shit here in your fucking diesel tank. Yeah, right there. Put it where it belongs. It goes in there. Like, this shit will fuck up your engine. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't be that guy. When you're done fueling, pull up from the damn fuel aisle. Don't be that guy that sits in the fuel aisle. It takes your 30-minute break. You know what I mean? Don't do that. We all got places to go. You ain't the only one, brother. Pull up. Don't be that guy. On a lighter note, I'm thinking about going in there and getting some McDonald's for breakfast. A nice, good bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit and a hash brown. Sounds pretty good. It is currently 6:15 Central Time. It is 35 degrees out. I made a point to bring that up yesterday's video, because I think it's cold pretty early right now, right? Or at least the snow, right? Or am I tripping? I feel like it's pretty early, but what do I know, right? I'm not from here. I don't live here. I live in the South. But drop a comment down below. Let me know. Am I wrong for thinking it's too early for it to be snowing right now out here in the Midwest and stuff like that? Right, let me know. All right, guys. Well, we've made it to our delivery. I'm exhausted. I've been up since like 2:30 this morning. But we're going to go out here, drop the trailer, hook up to our new one, and we're going to get out of here. And I'm going to start heading towards the pickup. And yeah, we'll probably go to bed. I'm worn the hell out. All right, let's do this so we don't, bust our ass. And I'll show you why in a second, why I said that. Look at that crap there, man. I swear. Woo, got your boy gliding like a penguin now. All right, let's go ahead and get this drop. The quicker we can get it going, get it down, the quicker we can get out of here, All right, do we hear the hissing? Yes, I do. I'm gonna hang that up. Come over here and disconnect. Beautiful. All right, well, let's hook up to this new one and get this ball started, yeah? So we're gonna come over here. Oh, yeah. There she is. She's in there, I believe. Let's grab ourselves a glove. Yeah, it looks like this one's on the pet side as well. Goods. I like that. I like the mats this way. It keeps me from having to walk. You know? All right. Well, oh, man. I don't even know where to begin, honestly, truthfully. Here, let me start by doing this then. Let me put y'all right here so we can hang out for a minute. All right, well, we made it to the truck stop that we're going to be at for the rest of the day, literal rest of the day. Well, we've got our next load is going down to Houston, Texas. We're picking it up tomorrow afternoon at like 3:30. It delivers there Tuesday night, like 7:30. So we've got that ahead of us. That's gonna be a nice ride. We're gonna be able to get some content out of that. That's gonna be a good day. That's gonna be a good trip. Good couple days. Yeah. So how's everybody been hanging out, man? Dude, this parking lot right here is covered in ice. It is insane. I don't know how anybody that lives up here can deal with this kind of stuff. Like Indiana, you know, this area out here like this. I couldn't do it, dude. I'm not cut out for this. This shit here is too cold. I'm about busted my ass walking across the parking lot. So that's the thing. But excuse me, I apologize. I am quite literally sick. You probably noticed earlier in the video my nose running a little bit. Don't judge me, okay? It was 4 o'clock in the morning, all right? I was tired. I still am. I still haven't been to sleep. Because I'm afraid if I do, you know, I'll be sleeping all day, up all night. I'm not trying to get on that schedule. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like driving at night too well, which is kind of weird, you know, given what my job is, you know, driving. And, well, driving trucks and the type of erratic schedule that we have, you know. But, hey, it is what it is. I'll make it work, son. I make it work. But I hope everyone's having a good weekend. You know, we're just gonna kind of ride it out right here tonight. I'm hoping it doesn't snow. They were calling for it on the weatherman side of the radio here. So I'm fingers crossed that is not a thing. I do not want to deal with the snow in the morning. I'm already hating the parking lot as it is. So we'll see what happens. But I reckon I'm gonna get off of here and shut it down for the rest of the evening. I'll have a good weekend. And yeah, I'll be talking to y'all here soon. See ya.